Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is me, Cadero Hudson, the wingman, here to deliver that delicious sauce. Ooh, yes, guys know I like the sauce. I love my chicken. I love my tacos. But most importantly, I love making money in the stock market passively, either through the stock market or through affiliate marketing or just anything passive income so I can build wealth not only for myself but from like a handed down to when I have children one day. So like succession plan, that's the best way for me to do it. So why are we here today? We know that my channel we talk about dividend investing, how to invest for financial planning for just retirement or just overall just personal finances. And we here today to talk about my overall dividend portfolio. The video that I made previous prior to this video was the dividend income that I made in the month of May for my main dividend growth portfolio. Today, we're going to talk about my dividend income passively that I made in the month of May my overall portfolio. So, right here, just wanted to show you real quick by this portfolio all together is at $76,000. So it went up. So yes, because remember it was going down, down. I'm going down. It was going down. It was going down. Like the market was going down. My portfolio was going down. And I mean to tell you that my portfolio was so low as it was at like $73,000, and compared to it was like hovering for several months, like neutral at like $75,000. Just shows you that when they hit $73,000, because of the debt ceiling and fear in the market, uh, yeah, I wouldn't say I was freaking out, but I was a little agitated because I kept putting money in $500 here, money into my 401k, money here, and it was just like throwing money into a fire because the market kept going down, and I kept putting money in, and then also reinvested my dividends as well, right? And so this is going to show you right here. Let's start from the top. I just wanted to show you this real quick, and then I'm gonna go into detail on in the next tab. But this is to show you right here that in the previous video, I went over dividend income that I received from my taxable account. But we're gonna skip that because if you watch the last video, there's no point in going over that. But we're just gonna go shortly uh, the dividends I received in my other portfolios and just hopefully have it all lined up together, right? So then we're gonna add it up together to see how much I made in entirety, right? So right here in my Roth array, starting out the gate, in the beginning of the month, I received a dividend from Lowe's of $6. That got reinvested. I received a dividend from Ameriprise, which is a spinoff from uh, American Express. It's a spinoff from American Express, so they deal Ameriprise. They deal or Ameriprise Financials. They deal a lot with everything. So wealth management, financial planning for retirement, personal finances, invest into the stock market, uh, invest into crypto, gold, silver, commodities, and so uh, it's amazing. And I've really enjoyed investing to this company, this Ameriprise, AMP. Write it down, look into it because it has really helped me make money. Not only does so it pays like a low dividend, like a 1.5%, but the share price appreciation on this stock is amazing. The stock does buybacks, share buybacks, which is fantastic, and then it increases its dividend a minimum 10%, which is fantastic as a long term compounder. I know I get excited, right? And then uh, everything I said, everything else is just on my taxable dividend. So in my other portfolio, because I received, so I have my regular dividend portfolio, I have my Roth IRA, then I also have my main investment portfolio that uh, I have VTI, I have several I have several tech stocks. I like to call it like a mini Nasdaq ETF, and in that ETF, I really don't have any payers for the month of May, so we're gonna skip that. So right here, I'm on my favorite Simply Save dividends, and then on Simply Save dividends is just to show you that on May 1st I received 83 cents. Uh, right here shows you the dividends that I received from Air Products and Chemicals, Lowe's, Enterprise Products, Morgan Stanley, AbbVie, Apple. We all know Apple pays a lower dividend, Ameriprise, and then right here, because I recently have bought these stocks, and these stocks have reinvested itself. Compared to my dividend trackers, the Simply Save dividends has updated automatically. So um, in the next couple of months, the next uh, month that falls into the quarter of dividends to reporting will be in August, and so uh, the proper amounts now is like they get paid in August will be 1027. Will be the new stock Williams Sonoma that I bought will be I received $5.50 from Williams Sonoma. The new stock that I bought, it's going to also show William. It's going to show right here Enterprise Products of 1905. Now, if you look at um, if you look at the dividend I received beforehand, it was like 1864. But then what happens is that when I reinvested the dividend, yeah, I bought more shares, and now the what's paying me now has went up from 1865 to 1905. Boom, that is the power of compound interest right out the gate. And then this just shows you the dividends that I've received thus far up to this point, which is a lot for June. Again, I told you the third month of each quarter has been fantastic for me, and so as you see right here, uh, it's been a rocky ride, as in the listen to the market, and you see a lot of these dips, and a lot of these times we receive a lot of the dips. I try to take advantage. So I try to take advantage of the market, and like you see here, it was at one point I was at some point I was close to touching 80,000. Yeah, right there. I was I had touched 80,000. I got excited because my one of my goals is for me to hit $100,000 in all my portfolios combined, and then I have a also sub goal to hit uh, to hit 100,000 in my main dividend growth portfolio. So hit 100,000 in all my portfolios combined is my first goal. Second goal is to hit $100,000 in my dividend growth portfolio, because we all know once you hit $100,000 in terms of just net worth and value, then as you input and dump money into the stock market, it takes less time for your money to grow. Shout out to the rule of 72. And so lastly, I wanted to show you guys that this is my overall dividend portfolio. It's when you add up all of my annual income from all my portfolios, you have what $2,159, and that's me. This right now, this me being at 34 years old. Imagine me investing, staying consistent. This even not when I'm at 50 years old. Imagine in 10 years. In 10 years when I'm at least imagine 6 years when I hit 40, how this if I stay consistent, how this is going to grow. And then lastly, what I like to see is I like to see the the dividend trackers dividend uh, portfolio. I used to be fully registered, so I was able to fully see. Since I am not fully registered, they only give me the limited view. But moving forward, Yeah, so it gave me the limited view. So I already received dividends for June 1st, and then I have some dividends that's going to trickle down uh, on the 8th, on the 13th, and 963. So overall, my dividend portfolio, overall portfolio is at $77,000. I received in total, I received $99 from my dividend growth portfolio, and I also received another $35 or $40 from just my Roth IRA. So in total, I made roughly $140 ish for the month of May. So if you guys really enjoyed seeing the dividends that came in out of through just my Fidelity account, my Simply Save dividends, and then also looking at my dividend tracker just to see the overall my portfolio value. Then also just looking to see all of the stocks that I own. Then make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Press the share button, share, and then in my next video, uh, gonna get gonna go right back to just how to make money into the stock market. This was just a portfolio update just to show you guys that I just dropped $5,000 into the market, and just to show you how the market is working for me. For my behalf, I'm buying dividend growth stocks. I'm buying growth stocks like Tesla, and I'm also buying growth ETFs like QQQM, so I can get that Nasdaq exposure. Because as you see, the S&P 500 is up over 9%. The Nasdaq is up over 10%. Why? Because of the big heavy hitters of uh, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Google. Shout out to Google. Google is what the parent company that pays us because of YouTube. Yes, indeed. So yeah, shout out to Google. Shout out to Tesla because definitely I buy more shares of Tesla, and that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this portfolio overview of my $77,000 portfolio. And click on the left to the right to the next video to learn how to invest. With either little money or on a budget. And hopefully, you guys learn a lot from that video as a new investor to get started. And if you want to learn how to invest in the stock market with more money, then at the bottom, just put that you like to learn more how to invest. If you have more money to spend, just let me know. All right, peace.